Henry, what's the craziest thing you've seen in M&A?
I don't know that this is crazy, but I would say that what's funny to me is there would be a lot more M&A happening today if we could cross the bid-ask spread. And the problem is that a lot of founders still don't understand valuations. Like you will talk to founders that run $500 million EV companies, value companies, and just don't understand the basics of how to value it and multiples. And I keep telling investors and venture VCs, you can do whatever you want, but you complain that there's no liquidity in the market. You can't get liquidity, but then you tell all your founders that they could be Mark Zuckerberg. And so they won't sell because we give them a fair price and they go, I'm worth $1 trillion. And it's like, we can't get deals done because founders have completely misset expectations of what their companies are worth, driven by the investors that should know better, but they don't. And it's crazy to me that investors aren't talking to founders about being more rational.
I think that's the only thing I've seen like 20 years in this sector is just valuation hype. And I feel like there's one aspect of just information is more accessible, but then it's just like very hype. Like it's the big valuations that get broadcasted and hyped up. But the reasonable ones don't get talked about at all. So now all of a sudden everybody's kind of valuation fever basically, and their expectations 20x. On this mark,
Yeah.
should be a little more.
Yeah, 100%.